Wouldn't it be amazing if you could see the near future? In a factory, if you miss small problems, eventually it will lead to big problems. However, if you can find the small problems, you can prevent the bigger problems from occurring. That's why Mitsutoyo developed MeasureLink. MeasureLink collects and sends measurement data from factories every day and catches the small issues in real time and displays the issues in a graph for you to analyze. Catching data and issues in real time for analysis helps reduce manufacturing times and costs. See the near future with MeasureLink.